I am exhausted. It's been a long week. You just saw me raise the car up. We're gonna actually drop the engine cradle and we're going to get that all cleaned up and then ready for paint. A couple of cans of steel arrived. Hit me up, it's way too expensive. So we're gonna get that going ASAP so that we can refit it back into the car by the end of the episode and get the car back on the ground. So this is the engine cradle. You can see that I've had to hack up these. It was originally for an LSX. So we're gonna clean these up and then we're going to get them ready for paint. Got them pretty clean now. I think it might be time to give them a quick spray of Steal It. Pretty happy with steel. It hides a lot of things, and yeah, we have a black first part. Pretty fucking happy. Now to do the rest. While we wait for the paint to dry, let's talk about the purchase that I made today. Super excited. Ordered a Nexus R3, a myriad of sensors, throttle body, and the keypad, all from Andrew at Animal Auto here in California. That should arrive in the next couple of weeks. A few things are on back order. It's fine. We're kind of not really in a rush, and we have so much more to get done on this. So let's get back to refitting the engine cradle back up to the engine and the car on the floor. So let's time lapse that, see how we go.
Kinky.
I always forget how to do this, even though it's pretty damn simple. Interrupt this time lapse to point out I have no idea what this stud is for. If anyone that knows Porsches knows what this is for, leave a comment, greatly appreciated. I'm probably just gonna cut it off, but I'd like to know what it's for before I do that. That's everything back in. It's all bolted up, hanging the engine. We are definitely, it's a lot more hidden now, which is great. That's kind of what I was hoping for, is that it would be less obvious where the cradle is. I really don't know how to end this episode. I have no idea how this is going to sound because I'm in an empty tin, basically. But we got a lot done the last couple of nights. I'm really happy with the progress. Super pumped about the Howtech purchases today. And probably should have waited a little bit longer before fitting up the engine cradle again. I don't know if the steellet was fully cured. It probably isn't. It probably takes 24 hours. But I was in a bit of a rush. I really wanted to get this car back on the ground. Just so that I could get the garage closed, all that kind of good stuff before midnight. Really appreciate everyone watching. If you made it this far, please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps. Like I said at the beginning, episode 2 did really well. So let's continue that trend, and I'll see you in the next episode. See ya.